What is up, guys? Today I've got the Mitsubishi back in the garage and I'm gonna be doing a much needed thing. I am doing the sway bar end links. How many times have I torn apart that car now and not have replaced those end links? I did put Honda end links inside of the Lancer because that's all I had at the moment, and my friend just finished up with his Honda and well, he had some end links left over, and unfortunately that's causing a little clunky for me. And because those bushings are slightly smaller and the actual end link is smaller itself, these are bigger. Hopefully that'll correct that issue. I mean, I know it'll correct the issue. I haven't really had to do much to this car in a while, so just little by little. But otherwise, hopefully this video helps you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to keep wrenching. Hopefully this helps you. Let's get to it. Car's on a slight incline today. I'm gonna pull the emergency brake up. Look at how much more there is. What? Look at how much different. From the bottom side. I mention how much I dislike these? This style? Yeah, man. That's how you do it.
I gotta explain this to you in the video here. So the torque spec is 22 millimeters for the sway bar end link that's down there. That in standard form or decimal is 8.98. So I'm using the dial caliper to kind of see my distance, so I can see how far the nut is from the top. So I should be a little further down, quite a bit further down to be precise. But
I just wanted to let you guys know how that's measured. And you're not like blindly seeing me wreck my hand trying to tighten these. Booyah! Perfect. Look at this. Bloop, 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 bloop. Yeah, man. Now let's go finish the other side. Still got a little bit of way to go. Boom. Right like that. Sweet. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it helped in aiding and understanding on how to change out your sway bar end links on the 2002 Mitsubishi Lancer, like mine. And yeah, I mean, there was a little bit of here and there. It's kind of like just a little bit of frustration trying to get that upper bushing to come down. Unfortunately, the upper bushing was just needing to be compressed, and then we could get that little tiny bolt, that 14 mil bolt, up and on. It's really simple. It's really, really easy. You just got to have the patience and a little bit more tools than your average tools, because you got to figure out how to compress that down. Other than that, I mean, it was totally simple. And I mean, we're done. Now I got this kayak. I'm gonna go run over, go take a look and see if there's other kayaks over for sale. But otherwise, hopefully this video aided in your repair. As normal, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my channel content for more. I do have a playlist for this car, so check that out. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, hopefully we can have a great summer, much not like last year's summer where it was totally closed down and everything. But I'm preparing for it. Whoa! Okay, I'm going. Bye.